In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these outside tow mirrors on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located in the front doors. Let's get into it. There's a cover right here. I'm just going to use a pick, just get under the little notch. There's a little area right there you can get underneath. That just pops off. Now using a 7mm socket, take this screw out. Down here, you're going to use a pick and just take this little cover off. There's a couple of screws under here. Just pop it up. 7mm socket. Take those out. We're going to take this trim piece off, use a trim tool, just get underneath here. Just pops out. It's just clipped in. Pops out and then it comes down. Using a 7mm socket, a long extension, take this bolt out. You might need a magnet. Take that screw out. Underneath there's two screws, same 7mm socket. Take those out. Using a trim tool, get underneath the door panel. We're just going to pop it out. Just go around the perimeter. Grab the door panel. We're just going to slide it up. Just like that. Take the cable off. Just push down on the tab for the cable. Slide it out. Slide the ball off. We're going to disconnect the main connector. There's a little lock right here. Push back on the lock, and there's a little lock tab. Just push down on that, and then this lever moves back. Then you can disconnect the connector, and then there's a retainer just holding the wire in there. You can use a trim tool to pop that out if it doesn't come out that easy. We're going to remove this trim piece, use a trim tool, just get underneath here. There's a little push pin, pop that out. You can just pull this off. You can just pull that out of the way if you want, or you can take it off completely. And then there's a push pin on the other side. Just use the trim tool, set that aside. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide that off. Yours might be attached to that retainer. This one's broken, that's okay. Then use a trim tool, just get underneath the retainers, pull the wiring harness out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take the nuts off. I'm just going to loosen this one so there's a couple of threads. It's a good idea to have the window open and then you can hold and support the mirror, but if not, you can work around it. Take these other ones off. Go on the outside, pull this last nut off, grab the mirror, you can pull it out. If the mirror is stuck on a little bit more, just use a little forceful tug. There is a retainer that holds it in, and even the wiring harness may be stuck. Pull that out. The new tow mirror has 4 mounting studs. The old one only had 3. This vehicle does not have the extra hole for that stud, so we're going to remove it. If your vehicle does have the hole, then you can skip this step. I'm going to use a 4mm socket, take this stud out. If this seems like it's a little tougher just with the socket, you can use a pipe wrench. Just get on the studs, take that stud out. Now take the harness, go through the center hole. Just get this lined up. Push the studs through. Make sure you have one of the nuts in your hand. You can start it on the stud. And we'll pull the wiring harness through. Make sure that grommet's set in there good, so it's sealed. Take the other nuts, get those started. Now snug these down. Now slide the harness retainers in place, push those in, and connect the connector, lock that in. Now take this trim piece, all right, that's lined up. Push the push pins in. Just make sure that goes all the way around. You can move the gasket if you need to, or the weather stripping. Before you put the door panel up, you have to take this window strip out and slide this out. And you can see these little clips. These have to come out. I'm just going to use a pick. Just get underneath the clip. Just pop it out. There you go. So if you pull it and just get under there. Now take the clips and you can see where it's cut out, where the little notches. You're gonna put those right there. Just like that. Then take the window weather strip. Just get this lined up. And just push that down. Connect the connector. Push down on the lock. Push the lock in. And then the retainer, line that up. Push that in. And we have the cable. Put the ball side in first, and latch that down, just like that. And take the lock rod. You want to go through the door panel. Just get this lined up. That looks good. With it all lined up, then you're just going to tap it on. And put the screw in. Snug that down. Take the cover, line that up, latch it down, and take the screws and get these started. Tighten these down. Take the cover, get that lined up, lock it down, and take the screw, get that lined up. Snug that down. Some of these clips fell out, so we're going to pop these out. I just pushed some of the clips onto the trim piece. You may have to bend them back a little bit with some needle nose pliers. And I take this trim piece, slide the top in first, and clip it in place. And take the screws underneath. And tighten those down.